Hi guys, Angel Nisi this side, and we're gonna paint something mystically beautiful. And the things we require are palette, glass of water, scissor, black gel pen, pencil, kneaded eraser, masking tape, and round brushes. I'll show you in zoom after a while, and the colors too. So probably you won't need all of them, but yeah, some of them you will surely need. A pencil, colors, and brushes are a must, all right? And of course water, how can you forget it? Yeah, so let's begin with light sketching. Make sure you always do sketching lightly at the beginning so you can erase it out and there will be no marks, and later you can make it darker, and this is how sketching works. And in case of watercolors, that is how you will have to do it. And these are the colors I'm gonna use. I'll be using Fevi acrylic, black acrylic, and rest of them acrylic, or you can use any of the poster colors. And these are the brushes I'll be using. Yeah. So let's begin with a beautiful smooth wash, light wash. Some people start with a wash of the entire page, but I generally do not prefer. You can just give a wash at the place where you are gonna begin painting. Alright, so make sure you use very less amount of water. I know it is a wash, but use the amount of water you require, and take the light amount of paint that you're gonna start with. I'm starting with lemon yellow. Alright, and I want you to check out my Instagram, Angie's Artwork, and now you continue watching. Catch you later. with the painting, yet I would like to give a little tiny, tinge of white to give it a realistic touch. And yeah, do consider subscribing my channel if you don't wanna miss my artwork, and I'm gonna come with more interesting videos for all of you. And also check out my Instagram, I am sure it won't disappoint you. And yeah, the pro tip to become great artist is keep practicing. And yeah, I would want to say Hakuna Matata.